Hello, good evening. Happy birthday, Amara Pompom. And happy dedication. More birthday to come. I love you. Sana lumaki kang mabait, may takot sa Diyos. Maging masunurin sa mama, sa daddy at mommy. And miss you.
Happy birthday
Miss you
ulit,
all.
Kiray. Happy birthday. Mag-ingat kayo lahat dyan. Ingat kayo. Happy birthday, Kiray.
Love you. God bless.
Bye-bye.
God bless. Tama na.
God bless. Ingat kayo lagi.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kiara. Happy birthday, Popong, and happy dedication. Sana ay lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at lumaki kang mabait na bata.
Happy birthday, my Kiara dear, baby, aming bunso. I pray na sabi sa John 3, chapter 2, I pray that you may enjoy good health and that you may go well with you. And sabi rin sa Numbers, no, chapter 6, 24, the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face toward you and give you peace. My dear anak, Mami Taba longing to hug you, kiss you, and I pray na lumaki ka ng malusog, may takot at pagkakilala sa Diyos. Love you, anak, and happy birthday.
Happy first birthday, Kiara. I love you so much. Mamu always love you and good health. At sana ay lumaki ka ng may takot kay Lord at na maging mabait na bata. At see you soon. I love you.
Hi, Kit! Happy birthday! Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos and sana manatili kang maganda like tita, mama Kim, and sana umuwi ka na. Hope to see you soon, anak. Bye-bye! Happy birthday ulit!
Happy first birthday, baby Kiara. More birthday to come. Wish namin sa iyo, Ate Kambal and Nanay Puti, sana maging mabuti kang bata habang lumalaki, may takot kay God, Mommy and Daddy, at mabuting kapatid para kay ate at kuya. Again, happy first birthday, baby Kiara.
Ate Kambal, love you so much, and Nanay Puti.
Happy birthday!
Happy first birthday, Kiara. We pray for a joyful and blessed celebration of your birthday.
Always stay healthy and God bless you beyond measure. Happy birthday!
Birthday again!